ọka onwe ibe na-eme n'ọkara ọka ka anyị nọ na nke kesi ndị Igbo ọzọ gidigba a sị na ndị polisi ndị DSS ndị niile dị blọk ọbịa o nwere isi left isi right o nwere ka esi abata so ndị ọka aghọtazi ibe na-eme so nwanna ka ebe na-eme ibe ya nso ka wee na-alụ ya n'Igbo ebe na-eme ibe kedu aba gị iwe na gibiko Emeke ka ebe a na-etu gị n'ọka
a na-etu m mgbọrọgwụ ọchị ọka na-etukwa m
atụnwere ibe nwanna
abụ m Abuja
okay
and my party is law.
Okay. So you are a lawyer. Yes. I'm actually speaking to the right person. I want to have your perspective about what is happening here. Also, case in the Igbo's mansion have been barricaded by the police. So, do you think this is a good thing in Oka right now?
I will start by stating who he is and what he is.
Okay.
He is His Imperial Majesty,
okay,
Dr. Austin Chukwuezugondi, MON. Yeah. There's also the third of Oka Kingdom, duly nominated, corroborated by Ndoka Nasen. Having said this, I want to state unequivocally that this is the height of human rights abuse. If not for anything, let's even assume, but without considering, somebody Ololili Nabie invites their friends in his own residence, not in a public place. That's why I said, let's even assume without considering that Ellen was an individual, all party people, the employee and the missionary of the state that ought to be there chasing down criminals in trenches. Anambra is under fire by hoodlums, by non-government and everybody. In Wedute, trucks load of policemen.
Yeah, we've been hearing gunshots and all that.
Canisters,
so we thought the unknown gunmen or the headsmen have invaded Oka. Actually, this is an Oka man now. So where is the Ozo himself? What is his condition? Are you aware? Is he okay?
They have held him under house arrest.
Okay.
Under psychological torture.
Okay.
A lot of dignitaries from outside Igbo land arrived this time as at yesterday. Last night there was a firework in honor of the visiting Atofigala.
Okay.
And they came this morning to stop this event, to embarrass the guests, and to cause mayhem.
So
hold on. This is an invitation to anarchy.
Okay. So do you think the state government has any legitimacy to interfere in a man's personal ceremony?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. If you think or you feel that an individual does not have power to do what to do, you go to court and let the court interpret the law as it were.
So do you think this is dictatorship?
Of the worst order.
Yeah, I actually think
it's a banana
this is
republic.
Dictatorship. This is the man that we're talking about. This is his home down there. I can't get close because his home have been barricaded. This is not politics. This is not religion. This is not opposition. This is common sense. You can't hold a man down because he wants to perform New Yam Festival.
A lot of elders, a lot of chiefs, a lot of niches who are getting said to come and join. Visitors can come in. Those that are invited for this event are trapped in hotel rooms. And here, look at. We will watch.
So the thing is this, you've heard from this gentleman, he's a lawyer, so he's giving his perspective from the legal point of view. I personally, Dr. Chido, think this is absolute violation of human rights. I don't care what the opposition is. I don't care what the fights are. But, a man has the right to have any kind of ceremony he wants to, if he's not infringing into any other man's rights. And of course, it is his money. It is his home. It is his compound. And the people who are going to come will be his friends. So if they want to come around and have a nice time with him, I don't think a government should be bothered with such things. Like the lawyer said, Anambra State has insecurity problem. We have high prostitution rates. We have, bad infrastructures. There are drug epidemic. These are the issues we have to deal with. You can hear the gunshot. Digger, please shut the video, ban your other fire.